In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a dog in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So this is actually a part of the new update where we now have pets. As you can see, I have a panda over here. And what you have to do is you simply want to walk up to this part where you can see the pet eggs shop. It's just next to the gear shop over here on the opposite side of the cell shop and the seed shop. And over here, you can simply walk up and see which eggs are available. Currently, for me, there's 3 different common eggs, and whenever you want to buy an egg, just click E on it, and it will say you can purchase a common egg for 50,000, and then you have a 33.33% chance to actually get a dog in here, okay? So what you simply want to do is click on buy over here, and then you bought yourself an egg. You want to go back to the garden, and you want to hold that egg in your hand and place it somewhere so it can basically start growing, and after the 10 minutes are gone, so as you can see, it says 10 minutes, and these are almost hatched. They will basically hatch, and you will have a 33.33% chance to actually get a dog from that egg. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.